version. Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at shared line between 6738 and 6740, 23rd Avenue Northwest. Recording this from the 6738 clean out alongside the north side of the house. So what we're looking at here is city main sewer line, approximately 85 feet out, give or take, and come back from there. So this is 6-inch clay line, pulling back from, upside down. So we're out probably under the street, coming back towards the sidewalk now. A little bit of root intrusion there. Got a turn there where you see the lip started to shift slightly. A little more roots there. Got a tie in there on the left side of the pipe with some roots coming in through there. It's 45 feet out or so. Could be. I'm just going to have you kick on your sink here in a minute and we can kind of figure out where you're at. Actually, if you don't mind doing that.
Me?
Now.
Yeah.
So we can figure out where you're tying in. We got a crack along the top side of the pipe there. I don't know if you guys have seen that before, but that is a broken section there.
Okay.
So this top pipe.
So the risk there would be that it just collapses.
Yeah, eventually that's what's going to happen. I mean, there's no telling tomorrow or 5 years down the road, but I mean, it is an inevitable thing that is broken. And once it breaks, you're kind of stuck digging it at that point.
And once you do, I think what we've taught is that a liner is the best option here. And
Yep.
that's strong enough to keep that from collapsing further.
Yep. Anything we line is number one, yeah, it's reinforced. It's in good shape. We're warranting it for 20 years. So okay, that's where Steph's tying in there.
Alright, we're on.
About 30 feet out or so. That's where you're tying in here.
Oh, cool.
This is you running water right there.
And that part that we just looked at was downstream of
That
towards
is,
the...
yes, so that's in the shared section of it.
Okay, so that's one we haven't seen before.
Yeah,
There's
so what,
I'll show it to you again. I'll go back down there. It's not too
what
far.
is
I feel like no
that
one
then?
has pointed it out. It's a section where the...
Right here, so clay pipe is starting to break. So the crack along the top, it's right at one of the bells.
Yep.
And eventually, and like I was saying, not tomorrow, I'm not having a doom speech here, but at some point, that falls apart. So there's your tie in there, Steph. And we should be coming back into 4-inch pipe now. So this is a smaller diameter.
We'll see that point where the basement goes in.
Yeah. So everything coming back now is your section of the pipe here. So roots. There's a tie in there. I'm guessing is probably what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Right there. I don't know if you got a toilet downstairs.
Well, it's a toilet, a bathroom, obviously a bathroom, but a shower, and laundry.
Go ahead and flush that one time for me downstairs, just to double check. Cover our bases here. Bug me now. So tricky. How long have you lived here?
Just about 3 years. Yeah, I'm finishing my 3rd year. Here it is.
Yes, indeed. So that's the culprit when it backs up. That's it's gravity just pushing it to the lowest point.
Yeah.
So you don't have a basement, I'm assuming?
Just a crawl basement.
Yeah. So you have no downstairs fixtures. So when you guys, as a combined unit, back up, he gets the brunt of it.
Bummer.
Is that it?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Sure enough. So we just had a flush there at 6738, excuse me. that's the tie-in there, about 18, 20 feet or so out. Come back, large root there, choking off a good chunk of the pipe. Large root there, choking out a good chunk. Large one there.
And this was hydrojetted not long ago. So.
Really?
Yeah.
It doesn't take. Some of these systems are just aggressive as all hell. That's your major point. Or that could be a tie-in, actually. At first I thought. It's hard to tell if there's. I don't think that's a tie-in. I think you have root breaking through the pipe. And that pipe is completely. See the lip of that next one? It's shifted down to where you had 4-inch diameter. You're looking more at like 2.5, something like that now. And then back into this ABS plastic. Somebody's done a little plastic stretch here right outside, and it goes into the cast iron. I'm gonna end the recording there and do a little bit of locating.